Get it started with simple classification. Welcome to this 10-minute tutorial on classification using scikit-learn. In this short and informative video, we will introduce you to the world of machine learning classification and show you how to build your first classification model using Python and scikit-learn. So let's dive right in. First things first, what is classification? In machine learning, classification is a process of assigning a label or category to an input based on its feature. We often use it to predict outcomes like whether an email is spam or not, whether a transaction is fraudulent or not, whether a patient has a particular disease. To get started, we need to import the scikit-learn library. If you haven't already done so, we need to import the necessary important libraries in our Jupyter notebook. For this tutorial, we will use the famous iris dataset, which is included in scikit-learn. You can load it like this. You can see in this code snippet that we have loaded the iris dataset. Once you have loaded the iris dataset, the next part is to split your data into training and testing the datasets. This would allow you to train your model on one portion and test its accuracy on another. Check out this code snippet. In this code snippet, we can see that we have used train test split method to split the data set into training and testing sets. Once you have splitted a data set, the next step is to choose a classification algorithm. Scikit-learn provides a variety of classification algorithms. For this tutorial, we will use a simple decision tree classifier. You can choose a classifier like this. In order to check the classifier, see this code snippet. Once you have chosen a classifier, next it's time to train the machine learning model using the training data. Simply call the fit method on your classifier. Check out this code snippet. In this code snippet, you can see that we are calling the fit method on the classifier. Once you have trained the model on the training dataset, it's time to make predictions. After training, we can make predictions on the test dataset. For the test dataset, we have the predict method. We are calling the predict method to make predictions on the test dataset. Another important thing to do when using a machine learning model is to evaluate it. We need to evaluate a machine learning model's performance. We can use metrics like accuracy, which measures the percentage of correctly classified instances. As you can see, accuracy underscore score method is used to calculate the accuracy of a machine learning model. Fine-tuning and hyperparameters. Classification models often have hyperparameters that can be fine-tuned to improve performance. Experiment with these parameters to get the best results. And there you have it. In just 10 minutes, you've learned the basic of a simple classification in scikit-learn. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to machine learning, but it's an excellent starting point. Continue to explore and experiment with the different algorithms, datasets, and problem types. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more exciting tutorials on machine learning and data science. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future tutorials, please leave them in the comment section below. Happy coding and happy learning.